In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add numbering to your text in Microsoft Word, making your document more organized and professional. This guide will be simple and easy to follow, empowering you to enhance your document formatting in no time. First and foremost, we need to start by deciding which parts of your document you want to have numbered. If you have specific paragraphs or sections in mind, grab your mouse or trackpad and highlight those particular paragraphs. If you're aiming to add numbers to the entire document, there's no need to highlight anything at all. Instead, you can simply place your cursor right at the beginning of your document. This will tell Word that you intend to number everything from the top down. Once you've chosen your text, the next step in our process involves applying numbering. To do this, look towards the top of your Word interface for something called the ribbon. This is where you'll find various tabs that offer different formatting and editing options. You'll want to click on the Home tab. It's usually one of the first options you see online. Within that tab, there's a section labeled Paragraph. In this group, you'll find several icons, including one that looks like a numbered list. That's the numbering icon. By clicking on this icon, Word will instantly apply a sequential numbering format to the text you've highlighted or to the entire document if you started from the top. This feature works smoothly to save you time and ensure consistency in your documents. Automatically, Word understands the structure and formats each highlighted paragraph to follow the sequence you need. That's it! You've successfully numbered your text in Word using these simple steps. Remember, numbering is a great tool not only for organization, but also for readability. Whether you're structuring a list, an outline, or a report, properly numbered documents can help your readers to follow along with ease, providing clearer communication of your ideas or instructions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for enhancing your document formatting skills. Feel free to play around with other features in the paragraph group or anywhere else on the Home tab to further refine your documents. With these simple tools and tricks, you'll be creating polished, professional documents in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep exploring how these little touches can make a big difference in your Word documents.